Hello all, this is a basic tutorial on how online read-through is made. So just to note, this is a completely automated, so all this stuff goes in the background, so this is just for you guys to know. So first off, we would open up our test image that we made a few days ago. So it's just a straight line, dark, and a white region right here. So first off, we want to find the boundary lines, as in this step 1. So which would be these lines right here, the difference between the white and the dark. So I'll just perform a few basic processing steps. Apply threshold, and then I want to smooth these out right here in case there's some extra noise in there. So remember, this all goes automatically. So now I can find the edges themselves, but they're kind of choppy, so I can smooth them out. And I go in and I adjust the threshold again so they're dark. And then I can open up my original image and I can superimpose these black lines onto this one right here. So almost there. So we get our original image, but we have white lines noting where the exact pixels are. So when the code loops through, it can record them. So now we want to find, as in step 2, a selected region around these lines, so the code doesn't have to waste time and go through each and every line of these, because there's like 1,200. So to do that, we would first go back to our original lines right here, and we need to widen them. So we would go filters, mean, about 5, adjust the threshold. Okay, so now they're wide enough. So we can find the regions around here by using analyze particles and show outlines, adding it to the manager, and we get the exact outlines of this region right here. So when we superimpose it back on here, which I'll show you just a second. There. So now we have our white lines where the pixels are and boundary lines where the code will loop through and record these dots for later. So now we want to go, as in step 3, we would record these pixels right here, and then we can move on to step 4, find the actual location. So I would perform that by finding basically making a line of these regions right here. So in order to do that, I found the best way, just treat these as ellipses, and using the results I get from this. So here's the 2 ellipses for these particles right here, but they're kind of long, so you can't really see them too well. But what's useful is the results it gives me. So it gives me its center point, major and minor, and I can use those 3 points to make a line, and that's what the pixels are supposed to be. So as in step 5, I can compare what the pixels are supposed to be using the lines I make from this, and I compare it with the actual locations in here, and then I can find the average for each image, and then as in step 6, I would get an average pixel for the entire set of samples that we had, and then I would convert that to 1 through 10, and that's it. Thank you for watching.